The AI chatbot race is heating up. Today, Elon Musk unveiled a new model. It is called Grok 3. Unlike other models, this one is raw and unfiltered, a bit like Musk himself.
Elon Musk's XAI has just dropped Grok 3, and it's creating a serious buzz in the AI world. Imagine Iron Man's AI Jarvis, but with the power to think, reason, and solve complex problems like a human. Released in February 2025, Grok 3 isn't just about answering questions, it's about deep analysis and even working with images. It's taking on big names like GPT-4 and Google's Gemini, and it's claiming to do it better. You know how when you get stuck on a problem, sometimes you have to sit there and think it through? Well, Grok 3 does the same thing. This AI model has two different versions: Grok 3 Reasoning and Grok 3 Mini Reasoning. The reasoning version is built for deep, multi-step problem solving. Whether it's mathematics, science, or coding, Grok 3 can reason through complex problems like a pro. But hey, not everyone needs that level of thinking, right? That's where Grok 3 Mini comes in. It's like the speedy version, fast answers, but with a little less depth. So if you need something quick and simple, this mini version might be your go-to. Does that sound useful? Imagine needing to solve a math problem or code something quickly. Grok 3 Mini will give you that speed. But for really tough questions, Grok 3 Reasoning will slow down and think it through in detail. Grok 3 has shown impressive results in comparison to some of the leading AI models and key benchmarks. One notable area where Grok 3 outperforms GPT-4 is in tests that require advanced reasoning and problem solving, such as the American Invitational Mathematics exam. With a solid 93% score on the AIME, Grok 3 has demonstrated its capability to tackle complex math problems with precision. This marks a significant achievement, as AIME is known for its challenging nature, typically used to assess high school students' problem-solving abilities in mathematics. In addition to mathematics, Grok 3 has also proven itself in scientific domains. It scored 85% on the graduate physics question answering test, showing strong proficiency in handling complex physics-related questions. This result highlights Grok 3's ability to reason through scientific concepts and provide accurate, well-reasoned answers, an area where many AI models, including GPT-4, still face challenges. The ability to excel in both math and physics places Grok 3 in a competitive position for applications requiring rigorous analytical thinking. However, Grok 3's performance isn't without its limitations. When it comes to coding tasks, Grok 3 lags behind GPT-4. On the live code bench, which tests coding skills, Grok 3 scored a 79. While this isn't a bad result by any means, it reflects that Grok 3 still has room for growth in areas involving programming. GPT-4, on the other hand, has been recognized for its stronger performance in coding-related tasks, suggesting that Grok 3 might benefit from additional optimization in this domain. Despite its strengths in math and physics, Grok 3's mixed performance in other areas like coding highlights that no AI model is flawless. Grok 3 excels in specific benchmarks that require deep logical and scientific reasoning, but it still faces challenges in other areas. Continued improvements and updates to Grok 3 could help narrow these gaps, making it a more versatile model across a wider range of tasks. Now that we know Grok 3 is strong in math and science, let's talk about the showdown between Grok 3 and GPT-4. If you're using GPT-4, you know it's a solid AI. But the twist is, Grok 3 has one thing GPT-4 doesn't: real-time data integration. This is huge because Grok 3 has access to real-time data from X, formerly known as Twitter. So, if you ask Grok 3 about current events, it can give you up-to-date answers. On the other hand, GPT-4 is trained on a fixed dataset and doesn't get to refresh that knowledge. So when it comes to real-time questions, Grok 3 might just have an edge. But if we're talking about coding, GPT-4 might still be a better choice for certain tasks. That's the trade-off. You get real-time data with Grok 3, but might have to sacrifice some coding accuracy. So, which one would you choose? Do you need up-to-date answers, or are you after the most polished coding assistance? Here's something really cool. Grok 3 has a big brain mode. Sounds like the Big Show from WWE, right? Well, it is. This special mode allows Grok 3 to use extra computing power to solve even the toughest problems. Think of it like a turbo boost for when you need some serious computational muscle. Big Brain Mode is perfect for tasks that need a lot of brain power, like handling huge data sets, doing complex math, or working on deep scientific analysis. It takes more time, but the results are spot on. It's like asking Grok 3 to do a lot of heavy lifting, and it handles it without breaking a sweat. Ever tried solving a complex problem and felt like you needed some extra help? Well, Big Brain Mode is like your AI assistant that steps up its game when things get tough. If you're working on something that really requires heavy thinking, Big Brain Mode is your best friend. What's the difference between Grok 3 and Grok 3 Mini? Grok 3 and Grok 3 Mini are two versions designed for different purposes. Grok 3 excels in advanced reasoning and tackling complex problems, making it ideal for tasks like math, science, and coding. It's slower but offers more depth and precision. In contrast, Grok 3 Mini prioritizes speed and efficiency, making it perfect for quick, general inquiries. While it's not as deep as Grok 3, it still delivers solid performance, scoring 95.8% on the AIME 2024. Grok 3 is better for detailed analysis, while Grok 3 Mini is optimized for fast responses. Grok 3 is currently available for free for a limited time. This means anyone can jump in and start using this powerful AI without spending a dime. If you've been curious about testing out Grok 3's advanced reasoning capabilities or seeing how it stacks up against other AI models like GPT-4, now is the perfect chance to try it out at no cost. It's a great opportunity to experience its unique features, like real-time data integration, complex problem-solving, and scientific reasoning, without any commitment. But while the free access is a nice perk, there's more if you're willing to go premium. For those who want a little extra, XAI offers a paid version of Grok 3 with additional features that enhance the experience. One of the key perks of the premium plan is voice mode, which allows you to interact with the AI through voice rather than just text. This feature could be really useful for those who prefer a more hands-off approach or need to use the model in situations where typing isn't convenient. Imagine getting answers or solving problems just by speaking to the AI. It's a more seamless and interactive way to engage with technology. While the free version of Grok 3 gives you access to many of its core functions, the premium version unlocks even more tools and enhancements that can take your experience to the next level. The voice mode is just one example. There are other potential features that could make Grok 3 an even more powerful tool in various fields, from research and education to business and development. So if you're enjoying the free access but want to get even more out of it, the premium version is a solid option to consider. After hearing all this, you're probably wondering, is Grok 3 the AI of the future? Well, it's definitely one of the most promising models we've seen in a while. It's got speed, reasoning capabilities, and even access to real-time data. It can outperform competitors like GPT-4 in some tasks, especially in scientific reasoning and math. But is it perfect? Not yet. There's still room to grow, especially when it comes to coding tasks. But here's the fun part. Grok 3 is free right now, so why not test it out and see for yourself how it works? Also, Grok 3 has garnered significant praise from several prominent figures, with Elon Musk being one of the most vocal supporters. As the CEO of XAI, Musk has been actively promoting the model, emphasizing its impressive reasoning capabilities. He even went so far as to describe Grok 3 as scary smart during a video conference. Musk also pointed out that unlike the other AI models, Grok 3 has no specific knowledge cutoff date and is consistently updated, which helps it stay relevant and accurate. He encouraged users to report any issues to help improve the model further. Siobhan Zillis, a partner at XAI and a key figure in Musk's circle, has also spoken positively about Grok 3. In her extended use of the model, Zillis praised its ability to engage in discussions on a wide range of scientific topics, noting its impressive performance and motivational interactions. Her feedback highlights Grok 3's versatility in handling complex subjects and engaging users in meaningful conversations. Andrej Karpathy, the former director of AI at Tesla, has reviewed Grok 3 and expressed that its benchmark results are quite encouraging indeed. This endorsement from a respected AI expert adds credibility to the growing recognition of Grok 3's capabilities. Additionally, Sundar Pichai, the CEO of Google, congratulated Musk on Grok 3's progress, signaling interest from other major tech figures in exploring the model. These endorsements reflect a growing excitement around Grok 3's potential in various industries. Grok 3 is taking AI to the next level, but it's still a work in progress. With features like Big Brain Mode, real-time data integration, and powerful reasoning capabilities, it's already showing that it has what it takes to compete with the top AI models out there. And as more people use it, we're bound to see even more improvements. If you're curious about trying out the model for yourself, now's the time to dive in before the free access ends. It's a game changer in many ways, and who knows, maybe this is the AI model that will make all the difference in the way we solve problems, analyze data, and answer tough questions. So, what do you think? Are you ready to give Grok 3 a shot and see how it compares to other models you've used? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.